The last week's episode, you could physically walk down here. You can see this is all starting to drop down. But holding it up is these couple of trees. And actually, you can see this is starting to collapse down. I was worried it was going to happen, but I didn't have the tools to cut this down to get it down complete. So after noticing that the palm problem is now, it's currently 36 degrees. This is going to be a rough one. Let's get started. Let's get this done, shall we? So what we're going to do first, it's terrible. We're actually on a red weather warning, but I couldn't leave this path down even over like just in case it fell and hurt someone. So honestly, I'm not perfect, and I'm gonna make mistakes. So on my channel, you're gonna see the ups and the downs. Even the camera's over. So while I arch is loading some of the rubbish, I'm going to travel a little bit further down, see if I can make a dead down. Morale is very low at the moment. So, my ambition today is just get this path cleared. It's not going to be perfect after today. I'm going to try and get an edging tool down and a blow. At least it's a usable space once again. It's currently 37.5 at the moment. Yeah, I'm sharp back. And now perhaps pavement open. it's time for the big boy again. Let's cut these up into movable chunks now. Loaded. This next bit might be quite funny. I'm going to jump on the truck, jump up and down, try and swish down it, and arch, and a press. I'm dying, it's still usable. There's a lot of litter and a lot of just general tidy up to make it look really pretty. So tidy up what we've done. Let's get tidy up. And from where this has come in the last couple of weeks, I have a great sense of achievement once again. I am so proud of myself. Have I done a good enough job up to this? Leave in the comments below. From before to now. And walking down this path, which was blocked only weeks ago before. I'm pleased that Harry's come out. It's not finished, there's still a lot more to do, but it is so hot. My skin is burnt, my head, we just can't get it done. It still needs a lot of litter picking out of here. It still needs the lining of the pavement shoving out. But in this back and getting this done.
Come on, yes, Ray!
Where's my wall gun? Where's my wall gun? Oh, what'd you point at? Freezing cold water sake?
Hey, can I get Archie over here?
Yeah. And on that note, I'm going to go home, getting a lovely... I'll see you all next week. See you in a bit!